Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Deriv trading view. All right. So if you're new to this channel, kindly make sure you subscribe to it and stay to the end of this video because I'm going to reveal some secret tools that you can actually use to make your analysis as profitable or as neat as you can ever imagine. I'm going to make it look very simple because you don't need to complicate your analysis to make good cash in the market. So kindly make sure you subscribe to this channel and then stay to the end of this video. And there is a particular videos you want me to create, make sure you drop it in the comment box. Okay, so don't forget to join our Telegram channel where we drop some of our analysis and then put on currencies and currency pairs and then the synthetic market as well. And if there's any other updates, you always get it at in the Telegram channel. Okay, so the link is just in the description button. This is also to remind you that if you have not opened your trading account, if you have not opened your synthetic account or currency pair account, you're looking for a broker to use, the link is in the description box. Just make sure you create an account right now and then you can join us in this forex journey. All right, so without wasting much of our time, the moment you come to your browser, what you need to do is to type Deriv trading view. All right, okay, so once you type Deriv trading view, they're going to bring out some options for you. So you'll just have to scroll to where the ones that has Deriv trading view implementation for deriv.com. So this is what the one you should look for. All right, so once you have seen this, all you need to do is to click on yes. So this is what we have here. This is just the default chart that you will see is for volatility 25 index. As you can see, this is volatility 25 index. So I will not be wasting much time in setting up the trading view because there's already a video on how you can actually set your trading view. Okay, there's already a video. Just a minute for me to show you what I'm saying. How to use Tradingview for synthetic. Okay, so this one will help you to set up your trading details, how you can make your chart look very professional, and you don't have to ball it with lots of indicators and all. So I've explained to you how you can also save your chart on the same channel, how you can actually save your chart. There's also a video on that. So if you have not watched that or you're still having difficulty in that, just kindly make sure you visit this page to do that. Okay, kindly make sure you visit this page to do that. Then there is a video on how to save chart. Okay, this is how to save your chart. All right, so just make sure you watch those video. So once you've watched those videos, at least you can know how we come about this particular page. So this is just my profile of analysis that I've done before now. Then when once you have set up your chart, you are going to have some of these tools here, because these are the regular tools I use for analysis, and everything I've already explained them in those videos that I just showed you guys. Okay, so this is a tool you use in drawing your trend line. This is for when you come here, there's a lot of tools here that you can actually use. So this is Fibonacci retracement. I use Fibonacci sometimes. It's not all the tools that you'll be using. Okay, this trend-based Fib extension, I don't normally use it. If you know how to use it, it's fine. This pitchfork, you can use it as well. This skip pick off, you can use. There are a lot of tools here. And then when you come to this place, you have your brush, your highlighter, your rectangle. You can see those ones that has stars. Those are my favorite tools that I use frequently. So for patterns, this is for triangle patterns. This is for wedges or rectangle, as people might call it. This is an arc. So depending on how you want to use them, you can actually do that. So I will just go straight to how I use some of these tools to do my analysis on Tradingview. Okay. So from my 4-hour time frame, okay, I have seen that volatility, this is V25. So now for you to mark your range, it's important to mark your range in the market. So the tools you use in marking your market range, after you must have studied your structure. If you don't know how to mark out if you don't understand market structure, I will advise that you watch that videos I have on market structure. Okay, there is a video on market structure. So if you have not understood the concept, you can please visit this page so that you can do that. But then I will assume that some of us have watched it, and it's not too late if you have not watched it. So I will just have to mark out my market range, which is from here to this particular level. So for me to mark out my range, the tools I use is this horizontal rail. Okay, how can you find it? You can find it from, is actually here. Okay, this is, oh sorry, is here on this trend line. So these are horizontal, this is trend line, arrow, then this is horizontal ray, this is vertical. This horizontal line with just the one that will just, move across your chart from one end to the other. Okay, so like I said, I have to mark out my market range. Why do I call it range? If you watch the market structure video, you will understand, because this was the recent lower high on the 4-hour time frame that created this lower low, and then after this pullback, the market crashed down. So if you check for Fibonacci, use your Fibonacci tool, you can see that the market might have been reacting to a particular Fibonacci level. Of course, you can see this is Fibonacci 61.8. Fibonacci 61.8%. Okay, so you can see that this is where the market is currently reacting from, which is a good Fibonacci level. So using Fibonacci is just for you to have your confluence. Okay, another thing you can note is when you change these charts to line chart, you can actually see that this is a good level of, or zone, or demand level, okay, or a level of support and resistance, depending on how you look at it. So this is a good level. So this is a good level that the market is currently reacting from. All right. So you can come down to the 1-hour time frame to mark other zones on the 4-hour that you can actually pay attention to. Okay, I'm looking at this particular level. You can see how many times the market reacted to it. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and currently the market is there. So there is a huge probability that the market can push up here and break out. But nevertheless, you have to think a probability as a trader and be very flexible when making trading decisions. So the next thing is, like I said, you don't have to bore yourself with lots of complicate the analysis. You have to make it very simple for yourself to understand. The simpler it is, the better. So I'll come down to the 15 minutes. And then check for change of character. You can see that this is a very good indication that market might try to say. Multiple times the market tried to come up here, but look at this rejection. So with that, you can actually tell that the market is possible for the market to sell. But notwithstanding, you have to be at the top of your game by thinking in probability. So I have this trend line here. Okay. So this trend line was violated. This trend line got violated at some point in the market, and then for you to have a good entry right now, or the best way to enter from, is there are two entries you can actually do. There is also a possible it's also possible that the market might come down to this particular level to retest this smaller zone, but to be very conservative in your entry, you have to wait for this market to break out of this zone. Okay, once the market break out of this zone, you can take it all the way down. All right, so where should you put your take profits? So this is going to be your take profit level. All these rejections area are going to be your take profit level. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So you can actually take most of your profit around this zone. You can actually take most of your profit around this zone, but you can also hold the trade down to this particular level. So I'm just going to call this point TP1 here as TP2, and then this is TP3. Okay, so that is just that. It's a very simple thing to use. And for a short position, because this is a sell, for a sell position, you can always use this tool to tell that the market wants to start selling. Okay, so I'm sure many of us must have seen this or familiar with this particular tool, but if you're not, there's no big deal. This is what you use when you are making an analysis to tell that the market will start selling. So you enter from here and you wait. Okay, so this red line or this red number you're seeing here, the number written in red, actually signifies your stop loss. Okay, it signifies your stop loss. So you wait for the market to break out, and then on the retest of this particular line, you can find your way or find an entry using your entry model. So this is what you use for a sell. For a long, when you put it, you can see this is long position. This is my Fibonacci. This is for text. You probably want to write something. And this is what I use in drawing the trend line. And this is a path. The path is just, a continuous array that will show you. So there are other tools which you can use here. You can use this tool to disappear all your drawings. You can see everything I've drawn has disappeared. I can actually bring it back by just clicking on this. So there are a lot of tools here that you can use, and they're very, very simple. All you just need to do is understand the tools that you are familiar with, the ones you want to use, but these are basically the most frequently used tools. That is why I add them to my favorite. And like I said, if you don't know how to set up your own view to look as professional as this, just come back to the channel and watch some of the video which I've shown you. So thank you for staying to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and then if you're new to the channel, also subscribe to it so that you can get more updates from us. The Telegram channel is also available. Kindly make sure you subscribe to it and join us as we progress in our trading career. God bless you, and let's keep blessed. Stay blessed.